Well, today I'm at a little creek near my friend's house, and him and I are gonna do a little fly fishing together. It's my second time fly fishing. First time video will be up there in the corner if you want to check it out. We're in a little creek. It's a lot cleaner and faster flowing, which is cool, and goes further, so we should be able to catch a lot more fish. Starting off with this little brown bug thing. I don't really know what it's called, but I caught fish on it last time, so we're going to give it a shot today and see what happens. My main goal for today is to catch a smallmouth, because my friend Jason, who I'm fishing with, has caught a few in the past, so that's my main goal for today. Any size smallmouth would be cool. If you notice I'm doing something completely wrong, please tell me in the comments, because I really want to learn how to fly fish better. I got one. I don't know. Yeah, it's a chub. First fish of the day, a little creek chub. Cool. Nice creek chub. Holy crap. I don't know. Here we go. I can't move my foot or else I'll fall in.
Alright.
Oh, we got one. Is that a trout? Cool. They're all over there on the other side. Got one.
Oh, that's a bigger one, it looks like.
No.
Oh, yeah. Hey, this is a good spot.
Yeah, it is. Another creek chub, I think they're called. A little bit bigger, I think.
Oh, that's a trout.
Really, it's so cool. Show my camera. Yeah, look how ugly that thing is.
Are you kidding that? Oh my god, look at his back. What the heck happened to that thing?
Ew.
Here, let me hold it.
So nice fish.
Let me wet
Yeah, wet your hands. What kind of trout is that? Brook trout, right?
Brook trout, yeah.
Cool.
And the dement.
Yeah, the little battle wound trout there. He went right there on that rock, right on the end there. That's pretty cool. There's one. I got the trout.
Stop. Oh, no, bluegill.
Oh, nice. Looks like a sunfish.
Pumpkin seed. I get my names mixed up.
These things fight harder than the chub do. Alright, there it is. This is, I think it's either redbreast sunfish or a pumpkin seed. Cool.
Actually, that looks like a hybrid.
I have no idea.
The little... Honestly, I'd get them when they were babies.
Yeah, I'm sure they grow quick. There's one. Another sunfish. It's a little bit smaller. So cool. There's one. There's this chub, I think. Maybe a trout. Oh, a chub. Nice little creek chub. These fish fight super hard for their size, which is awesome. Here's another one. Oh, is this a trout? No, it's a chub. So looking for that smallmouth, but it's fun catching these fish too. It's a nice trout. On that that white and blue grub. It's a little weird to use, but definitely beating my little bug thing. Oh crap. It's a cool fish.
Yeah, they're very pretty fish. I'm gonna read it or release it like a pro fly fisherman.
Yeah, you let it go in the water for a minute. Alright, underneath that bush. They always like find the closest cover and sit there for like a while. Every time they do that. I want to try this woolly bugger. See if I catch a bass. That's my main goal, is catch a smallie.
So
Are you gonna cross right here, or is it too crazy?
it's fine.
Actually, you can hold on to the tree, so you'll be all set.
Oh wow, that's a deep little pocket.
Oh, here we go. Oh, that wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be.
I thought it was gonna be a little harder.
Yeah, that was up to my knees in a little area, which is kind of weird. All right, this looks pretty good. There's a fish. What is it?
No.
Really?
Is that a big chub or a small?
Chub.
Trout?
Yeah, chub.
Oh.
Creek chub. Nice fish.
Okay, well now you're starting to catch some more fish.
Yep.
That's a smallmouth.
Look, deer. See it? A baby deer. What's that?
Oh my gosh, look at that chub.
It's a pretty big one. What is that? Is that another deer? Two deer over there. I don't know if you can see them, but there's two deer. Two little ones.
I don't want one to stick.
There is a fish.
Is that a big one?
Be a smallmouth. I doubt it.
A smallmouth?
No, it's a chub. It's a better one. That's a pretty big fish.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
It's pretty big, whatever it is.
Trout.
Think so?
Trout or smallie?
I think it's a big chub. Oh, smallmouth. Yes. Finally caught a smallmouth. No way. These fish, this fish fought so much harder than all the
What
other.
did I call it, Logan?
It's a nice smallmouth on the, I don't know if that's called, but I think it's called a booger. It's a nice smallmouth. Look at all the parasites on its fins. It's weird. It's first ever bass on a fly rod. It's pretty cool. Let it go. Yeah, for that size, that was a super hard fighting fish. Here's one. Another sunfish. Got one. So as soon as I switch back up to this little one, I end up catching a fish, which is cool. Let me go on the other side of that tree. Whoa! Oh, big turtle, big snapping turtle right there. You probably walked right on it.
Gosh,
That's really big.
that's massive.
Not that big, but it's good. Don't, it's gonna bite your rod tip off if you do that. There's one. A little chub. Smells like cow poop. There's a fish. It's a good fish too. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a big trout. Nice. Nice trout. Nice trout. No way. A little baby fly. I have to play him easy so I can land it. Nice trout on the fly. Nice trout. Or it might be a carp actually. Yeah, it's a pretty big one. What is it? Is it a really big sucker? I think it's a really big sucker. I think that's either a really, really big sucker or a... Oh, yeah, a really big sucker. Thought it was a trout. That's a huge sucker. Wow. It's the biggest fish I've ever caught on a fly rod. It's actually... no, this isn't a sucker. It's called a chub.
Wait, you still have it?
Yeah. It's a pretty big chub.
What is that?
It's a chub.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. Either that or like a sucker fish.
Let me see that. I feel like that's the biggest one I've ever seen in here.
There he goes. Here's a fish. Feels like a good one. Yeah, it feels like a good one. Not as big, but a good one. Bigger than what we've been catching. This is the normal size. Oh, not anymore. Got it. Hey. The fish ate.
Spider.
This fish ate like 3 times. This fish is dumb. Oh, there's the fish jumping over there, it looks like.
So,
Don't fall on the rocks, fish. Nice pumpkin seed fish. Back in the water. Alright, I'm gonna go in the water there and try to go underneath the bridge. I think that was somebody's cup that they threw in the water. Don't litter, people, because that's dumb. How many fish did you catch?
over 20.
I think I caught about the same. I don't count.
I think we both caught like over 20.
I probably had 15 or 20. You caught 2 trout,
You didn't catch trout?
You did.
I know.
You caught 2 trout. You
2
caught...
trout, 4 bluegill, like 10 chub. No, 11 chubs.
How many smallmouth? 1?
1 smallmouth. So, 18.
I didn't really count. I caught a bunch of... tons of chub, probably like 10 or 12 of those. I caught a smallmouth, bunch of bluegills, sunfish, and I think I may have caught a shiner. I don't remember, but I don't think so. You caught a shiner, right? Yeah, you caught a shiner.
I know Spider-Man rods are.
Something about the Spider-Man and the frozen ones. I have a frozen button rod. It's pretty nice.